divide the two factors, in other words, the x and the x plus 1, into two different equations. So x plus 1 is equals to 0. That means x is going to be equal to negative 1. Our two answers then are x is equals to 0 and x is equals to negative 1. Let's move on up and go and see the next question. And a lovely exponential equation. Now the trick is to change everything to products of their prime factors first. So we know 2 is 2. Let's put it like that. But then we have 8 is actually 2 to the power of 3. And then that's to the power of x. At the bottom, 4 is actually 2 to the power of 2, x minus 1. I'm going to put that in brackets now. And then 32 is actually 2 to the power of 5, isn't it? So now we have something we can work with. I'm going to change 2 to the power of x minus 4 into 2 to the power of x times by 2 to the power of negative 4. And it'll become more obvious just now why I'm doing that. In the meantime, I'm multiplying things out, so it becomes 2 to the power of 2x. And don't forget to multiply the negative 1 by 2 as well. And then we've got 2 to the power of 5 on the other side. I'm also going to break this up a bit and add these and see what happens. So I have 2 to the power of 2x, or 4x at least, at the top, times by 2 to the power of negative 4. And at the bottom, I have 2 to the power of 2x times by 2 to the power of negative 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 5. Now I'm going to fiddle with it a bit. I'm going to do some cancelling and all sorts of stuff like that. I'm actually just going to bring things to the top. So let's do that. 2 to the power of 4x minus 2x. Why? Because that comes to the top and then we subtract it. Then we've got 2 to the power of negative 4. We're bringing this to the top. It was negative 2. It now becomes plus 2 is equals to 2 to the power of 5. And I know I'm running out of space here, so let's just do it over here and we'll shift over just now. So now I have 2 to the power of 2x times by